And Ochsner Health says they're seeing the same. But KSLA News 12's Destiny Patterson in studio to explain why parts of the state may be at different points in this surge. Destiny?
That's right, Doug. Early indications show that North Louisiana only just hit its peak last week, while South Louisiana and the New Orleans area, they appeared to peak earlier this month. Another thing to note here is the difference in demographics when it comes to hospitalizations. Ochsner officials say more younger people are being hospitalized, specifically those that are not vaccinated. They say about 70% of that population are under the age of 65. Meanwhile, about 40% of those hospitalized are fully vaccinated.
We do a lot of prep for Mardi Gras, getting our things ready for our kids, our ladders, our food, all our throws. And so again, of the patients that are of the pediatric patients that are in the hospital, more than half of them are under the age of 5. So they're not eligible to be vaccinated. So we really encourage vaccination and boosters for the children that are eligible as part of the whole preparation for Mardi Gras and to keep our kids safe that can be vaccinated. So I think that that's just important to remember.
And like Doug mentioned earlier, the health system says they also have major staffing issues, causing them longer wait times due to bed availability, as well as putting a pause on certain procedures. Of course, as you heard, they are emphasizing vaccinations, and while our hospitalizations did not surpass Delta's numbers, they say the level of spread is much faster this time around. Doug?
I want to give you a closer look at some of those trends that Destiny was just talking about. This is just one of the pages from the LDH website. Hospitalization and ventilator usage. The yellow line down here, ventilator usage, obviously a big disparity between it and just overall people in the hospital. These surges from back in 2020. Here's the Delta surge, September of 21, and you see it peak back up. There were, even though it didn't cause as serious of an illness, Omicron, still sent some people to the hospital, those that had some other health issues, but it's clearly going back down. I want to show you this. Again, this deaths by date of death, we've made it crystal clear. Omicron variant nowhere near as serious health-wise as the other surges, including Delta. Almost barely registers down here. Obviously, any number is any number too high, without question. But that is good news to know that we are pushing through this Omicron variant. All right, that's the look at that. Also, I want to talk quickly as new coronavirus case numbers. Louisiana, 18,683 overall. Texas, 33,000. And Arkansas with a little over 3,800.